Is it really the start of the RV season? It is for me, and you're coming with me. Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and welcome to Season 6 of the new RV Adventures of RVJedeye. Yep, it is cold. Very cold. But I am starting Season 6 today, January 31st, in honor of my brother's birthday. So happy birthday. You know, if it looks cold, it is cold. I think it's about 9 degrees right now. So that makes starting this season off a little odd, but it is the start of the RV season for me, and you're coming with me as I get everything ready for the 2021 season. You know, I can't believe it is so cold to start this year off. You know, when I first got into RVing, I did it in Florida. It was about 5 years ago, and there you could RV year-round, and that's what I pretty much did. Here, though, a new adventure, something different. I've got to learn how to do it in the cold, and that's what I'm doing. You know, back in Florida in November, I can remember being at the beach, feet in the sand, in the water. Whew. I can't do that now, that's for sure. But life moves on. There are new adventures coming, and being in Northeast Wisconsin is one of those adventures. So I'm learning how to embrace the cold. Well, 2020 was a wild year. Now, you may remember I got here in Northeast Wisconsin at the end of 2019, November, December. I didn't bring my RV then. However, in 2020, I had to go back down to Florida, pick up my RV, and bring it back up to Northeast Wisconsin, and then start exploring, start learning about RVing here in Wisconsin. So what's going to happen in 2021? Well, a lot of things, and it starts with this bad boy, my RV, which is in storage. And did I mention it's cold? Really, really cold. So here's a list of some of the things we're going to do in 2021. The first, of course, is getting this RV up and ready to RV for a new season. Again, in Florida, when I started to RV, I didn't really take time off, so I didn't have to worry about storing it. This year, I stored the RV, took the batteries out, put everything down so I wouldn't have any unwanted guests during the storage period. And now, pretty soon, I have to get it out of storage and get everything ready for the new season. I'm also looking to find and install a right side mirror for the RV. When the RV was in Florida, somebody hit it, cracked the right side mirror. I was able to get through last year with it, but I really need a new mirror, so I'm going to source it. And then this is one of the installs I think I can do on my own, and so I'll show you how I do that as part of this season as well. There are also several indoor RV renos that I want to do. In particular, I want to get to the lights this year. There are a couple of sconces in the bedroom, and then there's a light here in the main area that I want to get hooked up. I'm going to do those projects and a couple of others and show you how I go about doing all of those. And then, you know, the big thing, and it's the thing I talk about all the time, is I have to just get out and start exploring. This is a whole new area for me. I was able to hit up a couple of state parks last year and one county park, but now I really want to embrace RVing here in Wisconsin and take my rig out as much as I can. So you're going to come with me during all of that. So that's it in a nutshell. So much to do in season 6. Again, I can't believe I'm starting it on January 31st, and it is absolutely freezing. But I'm already dreaming about all of the things I'm going to do, and you're going to come with me. Hey, I hope you enjoy this video and you like the content. If you do, please click and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way, whenever a new video comes out, you'll be alerted right away. Also, remember, new videos coming out every Sunday here on the channel. I'm going to try and stay on target for that so that you have new content every Sunday when you wake up. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RVJedeye. Then, don't forget to follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, get ready for the new season. Aw, buddy, it's going to be fun. Oh, and I forgot, I've got a big surprise for you next week.